to flex my love, I want impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want impress.